Hi everyone, in this video I will make a shape sorter. Let's start with making the box. My lumber was already planed to the right thickness and width. With the router I made two grooves, one for the bottom panel and one for the top panel. Cutting the miters on the miter saw. And now you can glue the box together. This strap clamp comes in really handy. Do you like my projects and do you want to make them yourself? You can become a patron or a member on my YouTube channel, and then you can get the plans to make all these amazing toys. Let's glue in the bottom panel. I'm reinforcing the box with towels. Glue in some dowels and cut them flush with a flush trim saw. Sand the box smooth and knock down all the sharp edges. Now let's mill up some lumber for the top of the box. To attach the wood to the CNC, I'm using painter's tape and super glue. It took some time on the CNC, I guess 30 or 40 minutes. I could also do this on the scroll saw, but I like the clean look of the CNC, so in my opinion the time was worth the wait. I did not cut all the way through, so let's clean this up with a chisel. Round over the edges with a sanding stick. Now that the box and the top are ready, we can make the blocks. I started with making the triangle because that was the biggest challenge. I'm not able to tilt the blade on my table saw, so I did it on the bandsaw. Cleaning up the bandsaw marks on the jointer. And a little happy dance when you succeed. The square and rectangular blocks are really easy to make. I also made 2 cylinders on the wood lathe. I made 2 different diameters. And when you're standing, there's always some time to dance. This video is part of a mini-series. Go watch the other videos when you're done with this one. Bye! Now I'll cut all the blocks to the same length on the miter saw. To reduce tear out on the triangle, I use the offcut. Sand all the ends smooth on the disc sander. And knock down all the sharp edges and corners. And as the last step in the process, it's time for finishing with Rubio monocoat. Hi! Thanks for watching until the end! You'll get used to it, but only 2 more videos after this one. But you can always watch season 1 and season 2 of Prepare Yourself for Christmas. I like the shimmer of the wood. That's amazing. I'll try to capture it for you. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, this video was one with the CNC, but you don't need it. You can also cut this out on the scroll saw like I have here. But the first challenge was to make this triangle. So I was really happy when I succeeded. As a colleague woodworker, you know the feeling. If you have a challenge and then you succeed in that challenge, it's amazing. I know, I say a lot of amazing, amazing, amazing. But life is just amazing. If you can work for a charity and sell your toys for charity and donate the money to an organization in need. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to tune in. Bye.